guys, happy Tuesday. So it's actually Sunday today, but you're going to be seeing this on Tuesday, so happy Tuesday. Hello. I'm going to be doing a new review of a product, and this is the product. It looks questionable, I'm not going to lie. I'll pull it out. This is called the Solinya. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, I'm really sorry. It's from a website called benisi.com. I'll link that in the description box below if it's any good. Let me pull this out. Ooh. I haven't used this yet, so I'm a little bit concerned that it may singe my hair off, but this is meant to be a hairdryer slash hair straightener. I'm going to get up the website. This cost me $29.99, and I saw it on Facebook, and I saw all these girls that had, you know, damp hair like mine, and then they kind of used this brush and it went all glossy and lovely and straight. So whether that's true, I don't know. Let me get the website up. So this is the website. It says on here, beauty comes from within. Our products help our loyal customers improve their inner beauty. This has got 227 5-star reviews. They also do a straightener, they also do other heated brushes, they do some Wonder Eye Lift stuff. They've got loads of different random things on their website, but this has got really high reviews, and the people that tried them said they were amazing. So this has either been reviewed by people like myself who film product reviews, not sponsored, paid for this all myself, and I'm going to give you an honest opinion, and they've loved it, or it's been reviewed by influencers that have been paid and it could be a load of rubbish, but they've said it's really good. So I'm going to give you the truth. I'm just going to get started because I'm really hoping it doesn't singe my hair. And what I'm going to do is probably go underneath, because if it does, at least my over the top hair could probably cover it. That's my thought process right now. I'm quite nervous, but I'm excited. I like trying out new. I mean, this could be revolutionary, right? Where if you're really busy, like a mum, or you've got a really, really busy job, or you're in a rush, or just anyone that just wants to kind of speed up their morning hair process, but wants to wash their hair in the morning and straighten it, and it just takes too long. This could kind of knock off so much of your time if it works. Or you could just singe my hair off. Right, so I've just plugged it in, and as you can see, there's like a light. It says it's off right now. So I'm going to... Sorry, Echo. Echo's down there. I might have to move her. Okay. Alright, so I've just got my mirror. So my mirror's there, and I'm just going to turn this on to medium, and I might just take it all down. I was going to split my hair, but I think the brush is so big, I don't think it's going to work that way. I'm just going to part my hair. Right. I'm going to put it onto medium and then see how we get on. Okay guys, so as you can see, that half of my hair has dried. It's dried really well. I think I need to dry this side and then try and style it, but it's dried really nicely. It's not burnt my head, it's not singed my hair yet, and actually my hair feels really soft, feels like I've properly brushed it, and it's got a little bit of a flick, but normally my hair goes like that when I dry it anyway, but it's not frizzy. So I'm going to dry this side of the hair quickly, and then we're going to try and style it, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. So that is my hair all done, literally just done. This this is amazing. Like, where has this been my entire life? I feel like my hair has got so much oomph and bounce. I feel like I've had a professional blow dry. I feel like, I mean, my hair always kinks out, but I really like that it does that. It kind of just lifts and kinks. I love it. Like, wow. I think I was very cynical in the beginning, going, you know, because you never know. I think a lot of, with a lot of products like this that you don't really know much about, I find that you do get a little bit cynical and you think, oh, you know, maybe that influencer's just been paid to kind of talk about a product and it's not really that great because it's an unknown real brand. I am so wrong. This is amazing. Like, if you see this video of some person doing this on Facebook, they're telling you the truth. Like, look at my hair. Like, it feels soft, it feels umpy, it feels like there's so much bounce, and it feels really light and well blow dried. And I think it took me a while to trust that this was going to work and not singe my hair, but the bristles are really soft. It's not too hot, especially on the medium heat. I didn't go high, I went on medium, and that worked really well for my hair. I think the brush is quite big, so I wish they did like a smaller brush, just slightly smaller for people with shorter hair. But if you've got long hair, wow, this would be incredible on you. But like, even my length of hair, it works so well. Like, I am so impressed. I would just leave the house like this now without even doing anything else to it. And that, obviously, it took me a little bit more time because I was getting to grips with how to use this. I feel like it's going to take me so much less time in the mornings to use this. Just wow. Like, I am so impressed, and I would definitely recommend this product. I'll link where I found it below for you. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!